Alright, so this video is for the people that watch all the manifestation videos, all the, law of attraction videos, all the spiritual videos, and get frustrated. So basically I'm speaking to people like me who are prone to getting frustrated, and that stuff seems hard to understand. So I want to break this down while I'm thinking about it. That's why I'm in the damn sauna, because I didn't want to lose my train of thought like I'm prone to do. You know what I mean? So just walk with me, right? Because I'm going to solve so many of y'all problems today. So stick around. Like, matter of fact, I'll put this at the beginning of the video so y'all know before y'all see all the confusion and madness. Hopefully, this video helps whoever watches it. But I'm going to give it to you the easiest way that I could possibly give it to you. And I'm going to try not to hold back. Now, mind you, my phone is in the sauna with me, so I do gotta be a little brief. So this might end up being a part 2 video. All right, so real quick, in the comments, drop the letter R in the comments if you get frustrated watching spiritual videos, law of attraction videos, manifestation videos, level up videos, because you it's not that you don't get it, like you can't understand it, but you just get frustrated too quickly. So if that's you, drop the letter R in the comments, because I got something for you. So when these people teach, I feel like they always leave out one thing or another thing, and they never say both. And that's what I'm going to attempt to do right now. So let's start from the very beginning. This is going to be a step-by-step, and I can only teach you what I learned. So for people that are more advanced than me, it's just not going to be for you. But for the people that are like stuck in the beginning, right, like nothing seems to change, and you notice like frustration in you, like that's who this video is for. All right, so it's not going to be super complex, and anything I do won't be super complex. I just don't believe that it helps people. All right, so I'm sitting here looking at my phone getting hot, right? I'm moving slow, whatever. Okay. First things first, you know how you're not actually supposed to think of your goal, right? You're supposed to think from it. All right, so what we thought was gonna happen did happen, guys. So it got too hot in there and my phone cut off, but we're gonna get right back to it though. You dig? Find my key. Woo! All right, so obviously the phone got too hot, so a lesson learned. I know not to record in the sauna again, but y'all stay tuned. Just walk with me, right? Because I'm gonna solve so many of y'all problems today. So stick around. Like, matter of fact, I'll put this at the beginning of the video so y'all know before y'all see all the confusion and madness, which a lot of it I'm gonna chop out. But to stick around, because I'm about to drop something on y'all, and it's the simplest thing you ever heard. So they tell you to think from the place you want to be, and that is true. However, before you think from there, you have to think yourself to there. It's like driving a car. Like, you do have to drive the car there to see from there. Like, you do have to make yourself be there in order to look from there. Does that make sense? And all of it is simple, just like this, y'all. It's all simple, I'm telling you. And this is coming from somebody that changed my life. I'm not gonna say drastically, unless you count it from beginning to end and drastically, but somebody that changed my life a good deal. So we'll put it like that. So I can 100% confirm that somebody don't want y'all getting this video. But don't worry, I'm gonna take all this stuff out. It's gonna be a lot to take out, but I'm gonna take it out. But anyway, all right, y'all, let's get focused, right? Because I guess I'm dragging my feet on explaining it because I'm trying to make sure it's overly simple, because it is. You do have to think yourself there, and then you can move on to thinking from there. Best place to think yourself to, meaning the best goal to set, the best thing to try to manifest, the best thing to manifest, let's not use try, is something that is realistic to you. If people are telling you that you can manifest anything and all of that, like, they're lying. So let's start by exposing the fact that a lot of these people are lying for views. They are lying, y'all. I hope y'all hear me. I hope y'all hear me. They are 100% lying to people for the views. If you don't want to believe that, I understand. If you think it's impossible, something's wrong. If you think it's improbable, then something might be wrong. 1,000%, they are lying. So you can't manifest anything. That's not true. You can only manifest what you believe. You can only manifest what you believe. They are lying. So let's get that out the way. Now, what you can do is manifest something slightly outside of your belief for a second. So you'll see that a lot. You'll see, you ever heard of beginner's luck? You'll see beginner's luck happen. You'll see somebody not understand what they're getting into and find it easier to manifest it that way. And as soon as they do it and learn about it, it goes away really quickly. So you'll see that a lot. But that's not permanent at all. And that's not what anybody should aim for, because all that'll do is frustrate you even more. So you don't need to aim for that. What you need to aim for is something reasonable, something realistic. Now, we're going to get to a point where we can go big, y'all, but we just not there yet, right? And I'm only going to give y'all what I know works. So I'm going to give you guys what I know works through experience and through secondhand, first-ish, secondhand-ish experience, because it's the experience with my clients. So I'm going to give that to y'all, and I'm not going to give you anything else. If I think something but I haven't proven it, if I speak on it, I'll say, hey, I'm thinking maybe this, but I don't know, right? Okay, so you have to think yourself to the place, and then you can move to thinking from the place. Okay, how do you do that? Very, very simple. Very simple. And the reason I know it's simple is because you've done it before. I wish I could talk to each of y'all individually, but whatever's going on in your life, you've done something bigger than what you're doing now. Is that safe to say? Type the letter R in the comments if that's safe to say, that you've done something bigger than what you're doing in your life. And if you haven't, then congratulations, because you are living your best life. But if you are like most of us and you have done something bigger, even if it's just for a short time, than what you're doing now, then put the letter R in the comments, because that's where you're going to go. So if you had a job paying $22 an hour and right now your job pays $17.50, then I'm talking to you. If you had a woman that you liked on a scale from 1 to 10, a 9, and the one you got now is at a 7, I'm talking to you. If you were in shape and you still maybe kind of in shape a little bit, but not where you used to be, I'm talking to you. If you just completely out of shape, but you have been in better shape than you are now, I'm talking to you. Because the reason this is the easiest way
is because you have some experience there. So you have what you need to make it a reality again. And what is that? Feeling, emotion. You have that because you can remember the feeling. Even if you can't remember it right this instant, when you start thinking about it a lot, you'll remember the feeling. And at that point, that is one of the very few times when it's okay to put a 10 on a 2. Because that's a good time to go ahead and double down on that feeling. It's okay now. Now you can exaggerate the good feeling. Usually I say don't do that. This is a time where you can do that. Now, after you exaggerate the feeling, hold on to it, because that's going to be the car that you hop in to drive yourself back to it. After you drive yourself back to it a few times, it'll be familiar. Once it's familiar, you can think from it. And y'all, I'm pulling up at my house. I must get in the shower. I must. Right away. Today was a push day. Tomorrow we doing pulls, so we're gonna get them biceps and them 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 deltoids. We're gonna hit that row, all the good stuff. High row. So what I'll do is I'll make this into a series. So we'll call this one part 1. I am going to, mark my words, I'm going to walk y'all through manifestation step by step, and I'm going to make it simple. Extremely simple. Y'all might want to tap in for this one, man. So part 1, this is part 1. And I'm sorry that I'm all over the place. The next one, I promise you, will be much cleaner. Have some faith in me, I swear. See y'all next time. Rakim not them. I'm out. With love and respect. Peace.